Have you ever thought of making money just by typing names? You can earn more than $525 per day just by typing the names of random people, like Catherine, David, and Steven. This is a lifetime chance for you to make money without doing anything. It's completely free and accessible from anywhere in the world, and you can do it on your phone or computer. Make sure to watch the entire video to avoid missing out on the sign-up process, which is actually pretty complicated and most people get it wrong. So stick around to earn multiple times what others do. If you want to know how much money you can make from this website, then check this out. As you can see, we typed nearly 300 words on this page. Keep an eye on the word count now. You'll be paid based on the total number of words you type per page. Typing one page will earn you $15. So the math is simple. For every name you type, the website will pay you 5 cents. As you can see, typing one page of names will pay you $15. 5 pages will pay you $75. 20 pages will pay $300. And 35 pages per day will make you $525. The best part is that there are no limits. You can type as much as you want and make as much money as you want by typing names. So the name of this website is talentdesire.com. Through this website, you can make money online from home without investing a single penny. You do not need to make any investments or spend any money to get started. This opportunity is entirely free. The website provides a wide range of work-from-home opportunities, including online proofreading jobs, freelancing, blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. When it comes to jobs, you have a lot of options. But for the specific purpose of this video, we'll focus on online typing jobs because it's the easiest of all. There is no need for experience and no need for any technical skills. Now open the website and scroll down a bit. On your right side of the screen, you'll see a red icon with a Learn More stamp. A new window will pop up with all the information regarding the website and how you can make money by working on it. It truly has a very good earning potential for users from anywhere in the world. And as you can see, there is no fee for joining the program. There are no hidden cards before you join, and you will never be asked to invest at any time. You can see right here that different rates will be paid depending on your skill level, ranging from beginners to experts. You can see that whether you are an expert or not, even if you are a complete beginner, you may be rewarded. We have a strategy that no one else is aware of. This website requires a writing test certification. Without a certificate, you cannot qualify for a job. Hey, don't worry, we got you. We have a website that offers a writing test with a free certificate. All you need to do is visit ratatype.com. This is a completely free website and offers you free tests and fun practice tests for you to increase your typing speed. Now open ratatype.com. This will take you to the homepage of the website. When you click the yellow button, you will be taken to this page, where you can start typing on your phone or computer. Take a speed typing test, because this website will issue you a typing certificate. The certificate is free, and you need it because it will increase your income and earning rates on each page. For example, if you want to earn $15 per page, make sure you obtain their certificate. So when you start typing on this page, it will assess your typing speed as well as your accuracy, including any spelling or typing errors if you have any. Let's talk about the requirements and scores of the typing tests that are required by the website. The more accurate you are, the more money you will make. You can demonstrate both your typing speed and accuracy by completing a typing test and getting a certificate from this website, which will immediately increase your payout rate. Here we have an example of how you can take this test. As you can see, after taking the test, the website gives us complete details of our typing speed and the accuracy of our text. Simply scroll down and click on the Register button. You just need to provide your name and email address. After accepting the terms and conditions, you will receive your certificate with a ratatype.com signature to verify it's a real certificate. You can now use this certificate to apply at talentdesire.com. Now that you've completed the test and received your Ratatype certificate, it's time to sign up at talentdesire.com. So watch real close and don't miss out on any details because this part is very crucial. Go to the homepage of talentdesire.com. Scroll down and find the button that says Get a Job. This is a red button placed at the end of the page. It will redirect you to a page where you can start applying for jobs. Now, please pay close attention and watch this video all the way to the end because the registration on this site is quite a handful and complicated process. If you skip this section, you can get lost in the midst of registering. Now, scroll down and find the link that says Online Typing Jobs. By clicking on this link, the website takes you to a page where you can apply for work-from-home online typing jobs. This will take you to the page where all the pay rates and details of the job is described. Now scroll all the way down. At the bottom of the page, you will find a red button saying Apply Now. It will give you complete details about the procedures for applying for the job. You'll find the heading that says Online Application. Click on it, and it will take you to a page where you can access a link for an online form and an offline form as well. Click on the online form, and it will redirect you to this page to see where you will be putting your personal details. The first step is to accept the privacy policy by submitting your first and last name, email address, mobile number, and country information. Tell me about your country. The good thing about this website is that it welcomes people from every part of the world. Doesn't matter where you're from, the website will provide you equal opportunities without any discrimination. After filling in your personal information, the next page is the professional information. Most people make mistakes at this point. Make sure you fill out this form in this correct manner so the site accepts your application. We will let you know the exact details you need to fill in so you get success in scoring the job. Watch closely. Put Professional Data Entry Specialist in the empty field of job title. You must input the job title exactly as this and then choose the best time that you are available for work. Select your best option for receiving your earnings. This website offers transfers through PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit to your local bank account. This gives you multiple options to receive your income. Now scroll down a bit to choose your current professional status. There are multiple options: student, part-time job, full-time, self-employed, and so on. Once you have filled out all the details and information, the site will request confirmation. Click on Yes, I've read and accepted the above statement. Don't forget to sign your name, which you can do by typing your complete name here, selecting I'm not a robot, and then clicking the Submit button. Once you've been accepted, you'll begin receiving typing name tasks like this one, where you can earn $15 for typing only 300 words. Then another $15 for the second page, another $15 for the third, and so on. You can earn $15 for every single page that you write, but make sure you submit your task on time to continue receiving more and more daily assignments. This is how you can earn $525 per day. Now, to earn $525 a day just by typing names. First, head over to ratatype.com. Take their speed typing test. Keep taking the test until you receive 45 plus words per minute speed with 99% accuracy. Save your certificate. Now hop on to talentdesire.com. Search for the Apply Now button. Fill in your details as explained in the video. Attach your certificate. And then wait for the website to accept your application. Once you start getting the assignments, you'll make $15 per 300-word page. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And stay tuned for more money-making videos like this one.